Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to make a blog in Webflow. First, open your Webflow project or create a new one. Navigate to the CMS panel and add a new collection, naming it Blog Posts. You'll then define the fields for your posts, such as title, main image, author, and rich text content. This structured approach ensures your blog data is organized and easy to manage for future posts. Next, let's design the layout for your individual blog posts. Go to your collection pages and select the blog posts template. Drag and drop elements like headings, images, and rich text blocks onto the canvas. Connect these elements to your CMS fields using the Settings panel. Remember to check the responsiveness across different screen sizes for a great user experience. Now we'll build the main blog page where all your posts will be listed. Create a new static page and add a collection list element. Link this list to your blog post's CMS collection. Design each list item to show a title, a summary, and a featured image. You can also add pagination to manage many posts, making navigation simple for your readers. Finally, it's time to publish your blog. Hit the Publish button in Webflow to make your site live. Don't forget to optimize your blog posts for search engines by adding meta titles and descriptions in the CMS settings. Share your new blog on social media to attract your first readers. Congratulations, your Webflow blog is now ready for the world.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.